Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for the B.Ed entrance exam, today's video is going to be very important for you. We are diving into one of the most relevant and commonly asked topics. Current issues in Indian education, key policies, and the National Education Policy 2020 (NEP 2020). From challenges like unequal access to education, outdated teaching methods, and the digital divide, to the new solutions introduced in NEP 2020, this video will help you understand the key points you must know for your entrance exam, group discussion, or interview. So make sure you watch till the end, take notes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's get started. One. What is the full form of NEP 2020? Answer: National Education Policy 2020. 2. Which body drafted the NEP 2020? Answer: the Kasturi Rangan Committee. 3. What is the school structure proposed in NEP 2020? Answer: 5+3+3+4 system, foundational, preparatory, middle, secondary. 4. What is the Right to Education Act, RTE? Answer: it is a law that makes education a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14 years. 5. When was the RTE Act implemented? Answer: April 1, 2010. 6. What is the minimum qualification for teachers under the RTE Act? Answer: teachers must have a diploma in elementary education, D, L, Ed, or equivalent recognized qualification. 7. What is the objective of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan? Answer: to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education from pre-primary to class 12. 8. What does NCF stand for? Answer: National Curriculum Framework. 9. How many years of schooling are made compulsory in NEP 2020? Answer: 12 years of schooling plus 3 years of preschool. 10. What is the role of NCERT? Answer: to develop curriculum, textbooks, and educational research. 11. What is Diksha? Answer: digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing, a national platform for e-learning. 12. What are the key focus areas of NEP 2020? Answer: early childhood care, foundational literacy, multilingualism, teacher education, and vocational training. 13. What is the name of the National Mission for Foundational Literacy and Numeracy? Answer: Nipun Bharat. 14. What does Nipun stand for? Answer: National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. 15. What is inclusive education? Answer: education that accommodates all learners, regardless of disabilities or backgrounds. 16. What is the main goal of National Digital Education Architecture, NDEAR? Answer: to create a digital ecosystem for education in India. 17. Which act governs higher education quality in India? Answer: the University Grants Commission, UGC, Act, 1956. 18. What is the purpose of the Academic Bank of Credit, ABC? Answer: to store academic credits digitally for flexible learning pathways. 19. What are PM Shri schools? Answer: centrally sponsored schools under NEP to serve as model schools. 20. What is the main issue in rural education in India? Answer: lack of infrastructure, qualified teachers, and digital resources. 21. What is FLN in education? Answer: foundational literacy and numeracy. 22. What is the purpose of Vidya Pravesh? Answer: a school preparation module for grade 1 children. 23. What is the new assessment framework introduced under NEP? Answer: holistic progress card replacing rote-based report cards. 24. What is the major change in language policy under NEP 2020? Answer: emphasis on mother tongue, regional language as the medium of instruction till grade 5. 25. What is the role of SCERT? Answer: State Council of Educational Research and Training develops curriculum and teacher training programs at the state level. 26. What is vocational education under NEP? Answer: integration of vocational courses starting from grade 6 with internships. 27. What is the National Assessment Center called? Answer: Parak, performance assessment, review, and analysis of knowledge for holistic development. 28. What is the main challenge in implementing NEP 2020? Answer. Lack of trained teachers, digital divide, and infrastructural constraints. 29. What is Teacher Eligibility Test (TET)? Answer. An exam for evaluating the eligibility of candidates for teaching positions in schools. 30. What is the function of NCT? Answer. The National Council for Teacher Education regulates teacher education in India. Hope this video helped you for your B.Ed entrance exam. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Comment below what topic you want next. Thank you for watching.